Subscribe to my channel MrNams, and press this bell icon for latest updates. This is absolutely free. First disassemble it. This is a one-push pairing button. Power input. 3.5mm audio output. RCA Audio Output. Now assemble. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed video, please subscribe, like, and share.